What's up guys, when I first installed my LED headlights, everyone loved it. Now I got a new idea. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn your car into a club, so wherever you go, everyone wants to party with you. All you're going to need are these LED strips that you can purchase from Amazon. If we spread out the LED strip, you can see it's the length of my driveway. And the first thing we're going to do is take the longest end and go all the way down here. Okay, so we go down to a passenger footrest area. So right in this pocket over here, we're going to start fishing our LED strips through. So here, and I just push this through over there. Now from the driver's side, you're going to start seeing this over there. You're able to pull this, so don't worry about it. So we're going to get one strip, and then we're going to pull the other strip. And if it gets stuck, you can go to the other side and push some more. Now you're going to see two strips. So there's one here, and there's another here. Okay, so now we take this strip, and we're just going to pull the cord a little bit. Okay, guys, what I'm going to use are zip ties to strap our LED strip right to the bottom of our console here. Okay, so this is our brake pedal. Right above it, in this area here where my finger is, I'm going to strap it there. And the secondary location, I'm going to strap it right up into here. And that's it. It's already secured. Right at the back here is a tab you can pull out. So what we do, we pull out this tab and then we just run our wire on the side just like this. That way we can hide our wire. To mount the second one, we're actually just going to mount it to this wire over here. If you have longer zip ties, you can tie it anywhere you like. Okay, so that's where I got strapped up. And if you follow the wire, it goes back there, behind here, and it's actually nicely concealed. Okay, so onto the passenger side. What we're gonna do, the first point is gonna be right up there. That's all we do for this side. This is the most hardest thing to do, especially with one hand. And a tiny zip tie, I recommend getting extra long ones. What do we do about this wire? Well, I'm gonna pull on this tab here. Push it, stick it out, right? And take this wire and put it right behind it, just like that. So how does this look? So the strip is right up here and the wire is flush right behind the area. Okay, so with the front secured, we're gonna start working on the back. And with the back for the driver's side, it's super simple. All we're gonna do, just slip it down over here. So when we slip it on the rail, all we're gonna do is take this, fold it in, and place it right there. I'm not gonna bother strapping it down, just because I never carry any passengers. Okay, so now we go to the passenger side, and we take our strap and our remote control and everything else, and what we're gonna do is slide it right under the railing. Okay, so what we do, take the strap, put it down here, and now these guys, we're gonna put it in here. So you open this up, plug this in, put any excess wire inside of here, and then you just keep this out. Or you can just keep this inside. So your rear should look like this. Most of these LED light kits come with a remote just like this. I decided to get one that has a remote built in, so I don't have to worry about losing it. The nice thing about this remote, it's got double-sided tape, so you can mount this anywhere you like that's convenient to you. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate how this works. There's 3 buttons on the remote. The top button is an on and off switch. On and off. The middle button is where you cycle through your colors. And as you can see, it's every color that you expect on the RGB spectrum. The bottom button reacts to the music or any voice that's playing. And as you can see, while I'm speaking, the LEDs are reacting because there's a mic. And as soon as it hears any kind of frequency or sound, it's going to start flashing. And also the third button, when you hold it, it doubles up as a brightness. So this is the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. There are 5 levels to it. And this is how you make your car into a club. I recommend getting only 2 LED strips, especially if you have a coupe. There's no point of getting 4. But if you like what you see, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video.